Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Myqualityhair. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my videos. So I'm going to be showing you guys a headband wig, and yes, it has been a while since I showcased one, but I'm really excited to do this one because the hotter months are coming up and we definitely need something that is easy and beginner friendly. This unit that I will be showing you guys is their Kinky Curly 18-inch 150% in density, and I have a cap size small. Are in a hurry and you have somewhere to go, you can always just kind of add a little bit of water and product to your unit and be out the door. However, I do like to wash my units. I use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I feel like the curl pattern looks really good. Very soft. The hair was very easy for me to run my fingers and my comb through, and I had no issues during the washing process, and I did not get a lot of shedding during the washing process either. Was opting on if I wanted to do a wash and go look or if I wanted to do a twist look. So I am going with the 2-strand twist. I am taking that olive oil mousse and I am just making sure to coat the hair really good. And then I am going to begin to twist, and then I am going to twirl the very ends with my finger just because I still want them to have the curly look at the very end. Of course, all the products that I am using in today's video can be found down below in the description area. You'll see my kids pop in and out of this video while I'm styling the hair because we're on spring break and they just wanted to be near their mama. So they're sitting on the couch and Jada's playing her game. Monty will be popping in and out soon. But I'm just taking my time twisting the hair, not really in a rush because I ain't got nothing to do. So just taking my time with it, not really perfecting the sections. But once I get towards the top of the hair, I will twist the hair a little bit smaller because I definitely want it to be really defined at the front. Going to end up twisting the rest off of camera. Once I am done, I am going to let this sit on my mannequin head and air dry overnight, and I'm not going to touch the twist until it is time for me to take them out and style the hair. If you are new to headband wigs, they do come with this Velcro strap in the back that you can tighten up for extra security. Like I stated, I do have a cap size small, but as you can see, I am rocking my silicone grip, and that is for extra security for me because even though I do have a cap size small, sometimes they still end up slipping and sliding because I don't use the comb, so I like to have that underneath. And then I also am going to end up bobby pinning the sides, so I like to put the bobby pin into either the wig grip or the silicone grip that I am wearing so I can make sure it's not going to move. You can just rock the band that comes on it. However, I like to dress up my headband wigs, and I'm just going to be placing on this mustard yellow one. They did send a gray one in the pack, but I have so many from doing the headband wig videos from last year. And of course, I do have some headband wigs in my stash, so having headbands around is just great to have, and you can find them for a good price on Amazon. Also going to work on taking out these twists. I'm going to be taking my time doing this because I don't want them to get super frizzy. I just put a little bit of serum in my hair, and then I am starting from the bottom and unraveling them in the opposite way versus just hairing up and taking them out. And as you can see, the twists look really nice and defined, and then I am going to work on separating them out also.
Promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good.
These twists are looking really good and defined. I'm loving how they are coming out. I am going to go off of camera and untwist the other side, and then I'm just going to separate the pieces so that I can get more volume. Now you can leave yours as is if that's what you choose to do, but your girl is going to still end up fluffing this up a little bit. I'm going to be using my fingers, and then you will see me using a comb to get it to the desired volume that I would like. Your girl likes some big hair, don't care. So I'm gonna get to fluffing.
So what it's gonna be? Baby squad up, we finna go deep.
It did take me a while to get this to exactly how I wanted it to be, but once I brought out that comb, it definitely helped out. I'm also going to end up folding up that little black band underneath like I stated, and I'm going to chop off a few pieces. And guys, this is the final look. I'm loving the way that this came out. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. But guys, make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts on this headband wig, and if you still need one in your stash.
Know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm man.
All right, yes, your girl is back, but this is with a headband wig, and it has been a while since I showcased one on my channel. You guys know for a while it was just like the craze. Everybody wanted one, and it has kind of died down a little bit, but do I think that they are still worth purchasing? The answer is yes. You guys know that the spring and summertime is coming up. It's gonna get very hot outside. We don't want to be worried about any lace. We also don't want to be worried about any glue or adhesive, something to just kind of put on and go and still feel like you don't have to worry about doing too much. Then I definitely think that these are worth having in your stash. I personally really love the kinky curly textures when it comes to the headband wigs, just because they look so natural. No matter what you decide to do to it, if you want to wear it down or put it in a ponytail, it's still going to look good. Now, I decided to showcase mine as a twist out, but you can definitely do a wash and go. I use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner to wash this hair. I didn't really get too much shedding. My olive oil mousse to style the twist, and it did not leave a heavy film over it, which I was happy about, but the curls are very soft. I mean, even with this twisted, I feel like it still gives you a good amount of movement. My twists were not perfect, but I tried to do them a little bit smaller in the front so it would have a little bit more definition. I also did kind of trim down a little bit around here. I probably need to trim up the back just a little bit, but I like that it hits right here. This is 18 inches in length, which 18 inches in a kinky girly style usually hits about 16. So I am happy with the way that this is looking. Now this unit is 150% in density. I like this density because I feel like it looks good. With it twisted, it's not as big and it doesn't give as much volume as if you did a wash and go and you decided to fluff it up. But of course, the older this gets, the bigger it is going to look. Now I have a cap size small, but as you guys can see underneath, I do have on one of my silicone grips. I usually rock a wig grip, but I need to purchase another wig grip because mine has just decided to die out. But the silicone grips work just as well and they're very comfortable on my head. And then I decided to push the black part of the headband back so that it wasn't just showcasing up here. I actually folded it underneath so you can just see a little bit of my hair. And I just kind of swooped over a little bit, not too much because my hair is braided down underneath. So I really couldn't do too much to it. But if you decide to not leave any edges out, I feel like you will be good to go. You don't have to really worry about doing too much. Like I said, my hair is not perfect underneath. I don't have this all slicked down and slicked back. I stopped wearing edge control, so I only just put a little bit of gel if I need to, and I feel like it still looks really good. I put one bobby pin on each side also just for extra security. Now, if I was going to pull this up into a high ponytail, I definitely would put some bobby pins back there also because sometimes it can lift up and move around, and I ain't mastered like the perfect ponytail. I always tell y'all that is a struggle for me. One day I will master it and get it right. But the way that the band ends up covering the back, you can't really tell anything. I still have one of my Myqualityhair units from last year. And the only thing that I will say is that over time of you wearing it, the Velcro does start to wear down. The good thing though is that Myqualityhair is very affordable. So if you need to re-up, you can do so without feeling like you are breaking the bank. Still feel like these are great to invest in. They're ready to wear, beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about harming your edges or anything, and you can style them in less than 10 minutes. You don't have to do all the extra stuff that I do, but if you wanted to even just wear it out of the package, spray a little water, put a little product in, then it's still going to look good and you'll be good to go. And you can always dress these up with different headbands. If you have little turbans that you want to rock with them on days that you just don't even want to worry about a headband, it's still going to look good. So do I think you should still have one? Yes. But let me know what you think down below about this unit, and are you still rocking headband wigs or are you over them? If you are interested in this particular unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the details down below. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.